a testimony for adults. Our basket is never empty if we obey the Holy Spirit. The other day, my sister and I heard about a woman who was moving to Jamaica for 2 months, all the way from Africa. She was going to work on a project in Jamaica, and she was going to live at my sister's apartment in Kingston. So, my sister cleaned up the place for her to make it look nice. She even left soap and toilet paper in the bathroom. Then my sister and I decided to do something extra nice for the lady. We decided to leave some grocery in the kitchen cupboard and a bottle of water in the fridge, since this lady would not have food until she went to the supermarket. We decided to leave enough food in the kitchen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the lady's first day in Jamaica. The only problem with that was that it was near the month end, and my sister and I didn't have a lot of money left. So we went to our kitchen to see what we had. And we took out a small shopping bag of food. We took the only can of baked beans that we had. We dropped all the tuna, condensed milk, corned beef, and mackerel from the cupboard. 1 can each. And we took some other things, crackers, and a box of tea, and one of those cornmeal porridge mix packs where you just add boiling water. We even took a little basket of mangoes and star fruit that we had picked in our backyard for the lady. The truth is, we didn't mind. We agreed that this was the right thing to do. After all, the lady was a stranger in Jamaica, and it would be nice to help her out a little. Even though we didn't have a lot of food left in our cupboard, we had a lot of leftovers in the fridge. And we would have enough to eat until the weekend. But you remember that I said that it was the end of the month, and we didn't have a lot of money. I had some, but I was saving it for going to the doctor, for putting petrol in my car, and for washing my hair. My sister had to wash her hair too. No, we weren't being mean. The thing is that we both work outside our home, and so we must keep ourselves presentable. Our expenses were necessary. Guess what happened though? First, I checked my diary and saw that the doctor's appointment would be after payday. And so I didn't have to save that money. I could use it to buy food. Then our hairdresser said that she couldn't take us until the next week, which was also after payday. So my sister did a quick hair clean for both of us at home. It didn't look as good as if we had gone to the hairdresser, but now we really had enough money to go to the shop for ourselves. Then the strangest thing happened. I went to a plastic tub that we have in our pantry to see what we had and what we really needed at the supermarket. You know what I found? We had so much food that I couldn't believe it. We had everything. We had baked beans, mackerel, tuna, condensed milk, corned beef, rice, peas, corn, beans, and several bags of crackers. I don't know what we didn't have. In the bathroom's vanity, we had toilet paper, soap, toothpaste, and everything that we needed. It was just as if all these things just came out of thin air. I would have sworn that they weren't there 3 days before when I looked there for something to fill the lady's grocery bag. I believe in miracles. I believe that this was a miracle. I believe that the Holy Spirit rewarded my sister and me for wanting to do something kind for this stranger. We gave her food and toiletries, and our basket overflowed in return. The moral of this true story, this testimony of God's goodness, is that your basket will never be truly empty if you obey the leading of the Holy Spirit. God is in no one's debt. Believe me, if you obey God in all things, everything will work out for you.